Welcome. If you want to change your password in Huawei MateBook D15, and first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to go for accounts. Right now go for sync options, and as you can see, right now we can change, for example, our Windows Hello PIN. So I set up this option and I would like to change it, so click change. You put your currently PIN code, and then we can set up the new one. If you want to set up stronger PIN, stronger password, you can enable this option to include letters and symbols. But I'm not going to make it. And if you type your new password, just click OK. Okay, unfortunately my PIN code cannot be very common, so we can make 1 2 3 4 or 1 2 3 4. Okay, one more time because I just misclick. And then click OK. As you can see, we successfully changed our password. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.